Factor a trinomial AC method. Here's our trinomial. First thing to notice is that the leading coefficient is not 1. So if that's the case, then AC method is one way of doing this. You're going to take the 4 and multiply it over to this last term here. 4 times 3 is 12. All right, so now you have your 12. The next thing you need to do is figure out two numbers that multiply to 12, but add to give you this middle number. So let's think of all the combinations that multiply to 12. Make a table out of it. 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. Those are all two numbers that multiply to give 12. Also, -1 and -12 also multiply to positive 12. -2 and -6, and -3 and -4. You want the combination where the two numbers add to this middle 8 number. So if you add these together, you want the combination that add to 8. And it's right here. 2 plus 6 is 8. Now we're going to take this 2 and 6 number and we're going to split this middle term into two terms. Our two numbers here were 2 and 6, so I'm going to split this 8x into 2x plus 6x. I'm going to keep the 4x squared here. And there you go. You split it up. It doesn't matter if the 6 is first or the 2 is first. You'll get the same answer in the end either way. Now we have 4 terms. The next step is to now solve or factor this by grouping. So you're going to group the first two terms together and group the second two terms together. We want to do GCF on each group. The GCF of these two guys is going to be 2x. You're going to have a binomial in parentheses. 4x squared divided by 2x gives you 2x. And then 2x divided by 2x is 1. So you end up with a plus 1. Now you want to do GCF here. It's going to be 3. Factor a 3 out of each of these terms. You're left with 2x plus 1. Now you can see we're almost done. We have a group here and a group here. And both of them have a 2x plus 1 factor common to both groups. So you're going to take the 2x plus 1 and factor it out of each group. You're going to end up with a binomial multiplying the 2x plus 1 in the end. All right, so if you take a 2x plus 1 out of here, you're left with 2x. Then we have this plus sign. And then taking 2x plus 1 out of here, we're left with a 3. There you go. Now it is factored. We have two binomials multiplying each other. That's the AC method.